I'm going to show you how to block Twitch ads by using NordVPN's Threat Protection and Threat Protection Lite. Threat Protection and Threat Protection Lite is a feature of Nord that works by routing your traffic through their VPN while also blocking intrusive ads, trackers, and malicious websites. First up is Threat Protection Lite. I'm using an iPhone, and all you need to do is click on the bottom right corner on your icon there, click Turn On, and reconnect. The VPN will reconnect and your ads will be blocked. Blocking Twitch ads on the desktop is also easy. Click the NordVPN icon and go to your preferences. On the left side, click the shield and turn on threat protection. You'll see it's now blocking ads, web trackers, malicious websites, and tracking URLs. You can also customize these settings and turn certain features on and off, but we want to make sure that block ads is ticked on. That's it. It's that easy. Check out adblockdude.com for more.